Welcome. In this video, we're gonna see some of the advanced stuff that we can do with the shaders. Firstly, I would like to the main thing in this video will be the uniforms that are available for the shaders, right? Okay, so the application provides a lot of default uniforms available to the shaders. For example, you apart from this model and all these uniforms, you've got something like uniform float, a time uniform, right? So for example, we could do some fun right here. Just multiply this with sine of, I will explain once I finish writing it. Right, let's just apply and see. And you've seen the mountains kind of squishing down and going up. And also, right, let me just explain. So it's the time uniform, gives the time, and I'm using it as a sign because I'm taking a sign of it because like time value that is given to the uniform is like it's huge. So I'm just kind of wrapping it up in this -1. You could also just do, I guess this would work, right? Apply. Yeah, I would just, now it's just positive only, right? Now something more that I would like to show with shaders before moving on to the other uniforms is some, like, suppose we have some kind of mistake. Suppose I have got some kind of a typing, right? And instead of vec4 I've got vc4, and I instead of apply, you see nothing is happening, right? This can be quite confusing if we are just starting out. So for this, we just go to toggles in console, and we can just see error messages in compilation of shader. It's like here we have got error on line 23 for vertex shader. We can check line 23 and see corrected, apply. We can see everything working fine now, right? And we can go to geometry shader and do similar things. Like, let me just fix this right again and apply, right? And then I just one thing that I would like to do is share something that we could do like this is apply just right, no errors. There will be an error. No errors. Okay, I guess I'm doing something wrong up here. Alright, let me see once more. Yeah, right, just okay. And apply, and here we can see we got a semicircle with, like, we got our entire mesh wrapped up in a semicircle. Like this is happening because we're normalizing positions, so it's just a semicircle, right? This was some kind of fun trick that I can show, right? Then we've got some other uniforms, like let me show the mouse position uniform. So I can just take like, right, uniform exactly mouse pos. Like one thing to remember is the name should be exactly same, otherwise they won't work. So apply, everything is working, and then what I could do is if position minus fragment position for this is, let me just find out the magnitude in here. Let's just assign it. Just take it out here and just put one just okay. Assign it instead of the result. We are just going to assign the temporal here. Apply and see. You can see wherever our mouse position is. It is dependent upon that, right? We are clicking, it's changing. Now we'll also do something like time. Right, and already there. Just not working, I don't know why. Okay, should we sign up that? Like, should we just apply? You can see some cool colors out here. Alright, you see there's a fog down there. Oh yes, you can try out two things, right? And then have fun with these. Or you could just multiply this with result, then apply. You look at the details of our mesh as well as this weird color moving on, right? This is we are having a pink water out here, like this is dividing the area into 4 parts. This is kind of cool, right? You can just try out different kind of combinations, just try out different things that might come to your mind and you might discover something interesting. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video we shall see the texture settings and the C settings. Thanks for watching.